All right, let's talk about something that could literally save your life or your home. I'm counting down the top 5 fire hazards I find during home inspections. Trust me, these are issues you do not want to ignore. Ready? Let's jump in. Number 5, moisture issues that lead to mold. Now, you might be thinking, wait, mold isn't exactly flammable, right? True, but here's the problem. Moisture can creep behind walls, degrade insulation, and weaken wiring. When that happens, you're not just looking at health risks from mold, you're setting up perfect conditions for an electrical fire. If you spot leaks or feel dampness, don't brush it off. Number 4, overloaded outlets. We've all done it, plugged in a power strip, then added another and another. But overloaded outlets can overheat. You'll see outlets discolor or feel warm. That's heat, danger. Melted wires can ignite and start a fire fast. Use power strips with built-in breakers and don't daisy chain. If your home is older, consider an electrical upgrade. Number 3, dryer vent fires. Think about how often you clean the lint tray. But when was the last time you checked the actual vent? Lint builds up out of sight. Blocked airflow makes the dryer overheat. That lint is highly flammable. Dryer fires cause millions in property loss every year. Clean those vents every few months, professionally if needed. Number 2, bad wiring. This is a big one. Outdated or faulty wiring is a ticking time bomb. It might work until it doesn't. Watch for flickering lights, breakers tripping for no reason, or outlets that feel warm to the touch. Those are red flags. Don't ignore them. Get a licensed electrician to inspect and repair. And number 1, the combination of all the above, especially when they go unnoticed. Moisture weakens wires, overloaded outlets stress circuits, and a dirty dryer vent can ignite in seconds. Home fires account for about 80% of all fires in the US, and most injuries happen in residences. This isn't hypothetical. These hazards put families at real risk, so don't wait for a close call. Get your home checked by pros who know what to look for. If you're in Maryland, reach out to MD Mold Testing at mdmoldtesting.com. Certified inspectors, fast reports, same-day service, and proven credentials. They test for mold, asbestos, radon, and more. Actionable reports in 24 hours. Schedule online or call. Help is available 7 days a week. You'll sleep better, trust me. The best fire is the one that never happens.